Okay, we're going to take this door panel off for you guys who are interested in how to take it off. In my case, there is a noise in there. When you brake, something in the door here rolls to the forward and then rolls back. So something like a marble is inside going back and forth. Not sure what this is, but we find out today. How to get this out. There is 2 screws, one behind this clip here, one behind here. The whole panel has to come out, and then there's clips all the way around this whole panel, and I'm going to show you how to get those out. Let's start with the easy part, with this thing, and that thing. Okay. Step number 1 is to get this cover off here. How you do this, you open up here, and then you can go in here with your tool here, and then just pull it out. It's extremely easy to remove. You see there's those 3 clips. So you go between here and here, pull forward. That's part 1. And now we have to go down here. Let me get the camera over there. So this little flap here, right? You go down here without scratching it, and then pull up. There's a lot of dirt in there, and there's a 7mm screw here. Okay, I'm gonna get that out. So you need a little bit longer. How do I get in there? Here? Oh. Look at that. $7mm. That's how that looks like. That go to the side. So now next step is to get this out. Okay. We don't want to damage anything here, but there is somewhere here those clips here. You saw I used the plastic piece here, huh? So I don't damage anything here. Look at this. There's enough space here to do this. And on this side here we have those red lock clips. Let me show you this. The red lock clip has to go back that way, and then you can push down and hold, and then you can pull it out. Very easy. This thing goes also to the side. So in here is a 10mm. So you need a 10mm nut here. And it helps to open this. The 10mm is so it has to come loose, as told. Doesn't feel right though. And again, that's what it is. It's pretty hard in there. There we go. 10mm. Huh? So now with our pry tool we go in between here, between the metal and the plastic. For that we use a plastic tool. So I don't know how I can show this best. So I have 2 other options. This one here and this one. I love metal. So I think this is really what you need. Have to pull hard. Whew. That's what they don't show you in those how-to videos, you know. So this one gets out here, then you have a little more space. You have a wire there and you have one here. So, when you see this, here we go, unplug. That's the tweeter for the sound system. And now we can move this around. So I don't know where in the door now this noise could come from. I can't see anything. Here is the door to go in here and to look. So we use the phone now to go in there and see if we can see anything. So what's in there? The hard part is that you can't tell. It's really hard to say. You only see there's no rust. You can tell if there's anything loose in there. So I'm going to take the it's glued on. Slow. There we go. Also push and hold. And then we have to stay away from dirt. You see here? Assembled in China. I'm going to put this somewhere where it doesn't hurt anything. So, is there anything down there? So there's nothing in the door that could do that. Isn't that crazy? And I hear this noise.